Hi guys, it's Jenny, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I have had this for quite a few weeks now and I've used it a few times over on my TikTok, done a few tutorials using it, but haven't yet used it on my YouTube channel, so I thought I would do a look using it because I absolutely adore this palette. So I know I did say in my last, I think I got lipstick on my teeth. So I know I did say on my last makeup tutorial that I wanted to kind of move away from doing makeup related videos all the time. But I still wanted to do this video because I still wanted to use the Blood Sugar palette because I love that palette and I really wanted to do a video using it. Also, I have actually filmed this and edited it differently to my other makeup tutorials. I just wanted it to be really different, so I hope you like this style. I obviously haven't edited it yet, but I have got the edit in mind, so I hope it turns out well. So yeah, if you guys like this different style of makeup tutorials, let me know, because yeah, just let me know and then I will do more if you enjoy it. But then if you prefer the old style, then just, yeah, let me know as well and I'll go back to doing that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And if you want to see how to get this eye look, plus know what I put on my lips, because I didn't include like my foundation and stuff, just because it's kind of boring. So if you want to know how to get this eye look, keep on watching.